Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good. And I hope you're feeling irie because we have another pick a card reading for you today. Today we are going to look at something nice and irie. We're going to look into some good news coming your way. Okay, today is Friday, so we're going to give that good Friday feeling, okay? And it is also represents the energy of Venus. It's all about love. So we want to bring some good love messages or just some good news coming your way. Let's get into it. One guarantee. T-Sippers, one guarantee. T-Sippers, one guarantee. Welcome, T-Sippers. Yeah. Right, so we got pile one, pile two, pile three. Now, these are some of the tools that we're going to use today to just have a look and see what messages want to come through for the collective, okay? So before we begin, okay, just have a look at each number and see which one is really calling you, which one is really resonating with you right now as we bring in some good energy into the reads. And if you have some water or something to just help you to just stay hydrated throughout the read, okay, let us know. Put it in the comments down below. I've got some water, okay, and some chamomile tea. So, just keep sipping, okay? So you can just stay nice and hydrated. All right, let's get into bringing some good energies into the reads. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages that we're about to receive today. May these messages of good news coming your way resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you. All right. I hope you've got a number that's calling you. If you're not too sure, just go through all of the reads and gather those juicy intuitive gems. So we got pile one, pile two, and pile three. So I will see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we are looking into pile one, okay? And we're going to see what messages of good news wants to come your way. What do you need to hear right now? And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea, okay? Give us a thumbs up, like, share, okay, comments, all of those good things because it really helps us to grow and connect with you all and to build this love and light community together, okay? All right, so we are looking at good news, okay? What good news do you need to hear right now? Let's start with a Jamaican proverb. What good news do you need to hear right now? For the collective who chose pile one, what do they need to hear right now? What good news do you need to hear right now? Okay, thank you. We have you never see smoke without fire. You never see smoke without fire in a Jamaican style. You never see smoke without fire. You'll never see smoke without fire. You'll never see smoke without fire. Okay, so this is the idea that actions and consequences, okay? So actions can trigger problems. Problems can be deep rooted, feelings ignited. There could be romance here. It could also there could be some romance coming your way. Perhaps there's somebody who has feelings for you. Okay, but I feel like the good news is also this energy of, if you have a dream, if you have a goal, if you have an aspiration, if you have something that you want to work towards, stick at it, even when it might feel like days it's like you're trying and it still feels like you're not going anywhere. The fact that you are putting that time and your intentions, again, it's also being very clear with your intentions. It helps you to get closer and closer to manifest and to see the magician in you. Okay, that you're able to take that step, take that lead towards working towards your goals, and just believing in yourself and having that trust. Okay, right, so let's have a look at an oracle first. Okay, so we've got the cosmic ordering oracle. Let's see what wants to come through. So what good news do the collective need to hear today? So the collective who chose pile 1, what good news do you need to hear? And I'm gonna sing the song. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Thank you. We have authenticity. This is something that we are all striving for. Okay, working to become more authentic in our everyday lives. Okay, so authenticity gives power and connects with the universe. To pretend that we see everything positively or act as if we were enlightened when we are not creates a distance between ourselves and the universe. So accept lovingly your evolution. Woo! Let's rewind. Your evolutionary, that's it. Look, it came out. Stage, okay? So what I'm getting here, accept where you are, and just know that, as a human being, you are constantly evolving. And as long as you embrace that and and accept that growth is always part of your makeup. Perhaps you might be even been seeing lots of butterflies lately, or things, or like plants or things like that can represent or be very symbolic of growth. Just know that you, just like you, are that flower that's blossoming. Okay, and in just like a flower has its seasons where it may sometimes the petals wither, and then it comes back and looks beautiful with these evergreen leaves and beautiful petals. Just know that's, you know, we all go through stages, and that's okay. And that's part of our evolution. It's part of our growth. Okay. All right. So we've got that message here. Let's have a look and see what the tarot wants you to know right now. What do you need to know? So for the collective who chose pile 1, okay, what good news do they need to hear right now? What good news do they need to hear? What good news do they need to hear right now? All right, we're gonna sing our little song because it helps to bring that energy in. Okay, shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Yes, thank you. Look at this, the hangman. So I feel like the message here is really being still, being confident and content with where you are. Okay, not letting anything bother you, trouble you, or anything like that. Okay, because I feel like the more at peace, the more still you are, perhaps even meditation, journaling, all of those things will be really good right now, because it's helping you to kind of like stay grounded. So I can see lots of grounding activities will be really good to really help you to then just take a step back and just see the good that is in your life and the good that is yet to come. Okay, just gonna have a look and see what's significant at the front and at the back of the deck. Let's have a look. We have the high priestess, which is all about the intuition, trusting your intuition. If you've had any kind of gut feelings about wanting to do something, wanting to start something, now is the time. I feel like Mariah Carey when it comes to when it's approaching in Christmas and you see her advert for her song, okay, and it's time. This is you. This is your time. It's your time to shine, baby. It's your time to shine. Because look, you got the seven of wands here. And I feel like the seven of wands here is also a message from your spirit guides, your guardian angels, your ancestors to say, look, we got your back. We got your back. You know, go and do what you want. Go and pursue your dreams. Go and pursue your goals because we got you. We got you. We got you. We got you. Okay. Right. So we're going to also have a look at a love message of, okay, let's have a look and see what love message is coming your way. Can we have a look at a love message, please? Okay, I'm just going to adjust the camera a bit because I can see it's jumped a bit. Yeah, that's a lot better. All right. So let's have a look and see what message is coming your way. Can we have a love message for the collective, please? What do they need to know? What do they need to know right now? Right, we're going to bring that energy again. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Woo! Wait. Give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. This could be a good time to work on a partnership, work on a union. Perhaps could be someone who wants to come your way and communicate this with you. They may want to kind of tell you how they feel and see whether this can be something that you can work on. Now, also that the fact that we saw the seven of wands, this could also be this energy that this person wants to return, and perhaps you've been having a gut feeling about this person, okay? And we have the queen of wands here. This could be your energy of like really honing into who you are, okay, recognizing it so that you can embrace new opportunities coming your way, okay? Perhaps there could have been things that you may have walked away from, or things that have made you feel like, should I leave this, should I not, okay? But I feel like with the Nine of Cups being here, is to say no. Tune in to how you feel, tune into your intuition, and just to know to believe in yourself, because great things are coming your way, okay? So release yourself from any kind of like dreaded thoughts or feelings that hold you back, because look, bigger opportunities for you to grow, for you to reflect, for you to love on yourself is coming your way. So just embrace it, honey. Embrace it. Okay. Right. So last but not least, we are going to end this read with these wonderful angel messages that I found. Okay. We have, ooh, dare to be you. Dare to be you. Embrace you. Look at this. We had this message about authenticity. Okay. Dare to be you. Just dare to be you. Don't walk away from being you. Embrace you. Okay. And if anybody don't like it, okay, this is what we're gonna. The auntie self-love is coming in. If anybody don't like it, I feel them business. That's not your business. Okay. Okay, simply what I just said, it just means that's their business. For them, that's for them. That's for them to figure out. That's their business to figure out. Okay, that's not for you to worry about, not for you to stress. You just focus on being you. Okay, sometimes when you take on that energy of, right, I'm just going to be about myself, I'm going to focus on me. It's not even me about trying to be selfish to anybody or anything like that, but right now I'm recognizing that I need to tune in to me so that I can grow, so that I can heal, so that I can develop. And if anybody have a problem with that, hey, again, what we say, that's their business. Not for us to worry about, not for us to stress on. You hear that? This is a message from Auntie Self Love. Remember that, darling, honey. So we're going to leave it here, okay? But be sure to look good, feel good, embrace all of that energy, okay? Take the messages that resonate, okay? Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest, okay? I saw it go, I saw it go. This simply means, in Jamaica, it's just Jamaican pattern. It simply means this is how it goes around here. So look after yourself, okay? Do have a look at all of the readings available. We still have the Summer of Love pick a card readings available every Sunday as part of this Summer of Love, yeah. Okay, Summer of Love pick a card readings, okay, for the rest of the summer. So we're coming to we've got a couple of more weeks before the summer comes to a close. So do have a look at all of the readings available. But be sure to look good, big up yourself, and wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we are looking into pile two, and we're going to look and see what good news is coming your way. Coming your way? Coming your way. Okay, so if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tara and Tea. Okay, give us a thumbs up, a like, a share, comment. Okay, help us to grow and connect with more people like you, more like-minded people like you, so we can build this community together. All right. So, good news. What good news do you need to hear? Let's start with the tarot. What good news does the collective who chose pile 2 need to hear right now? I'm just going to quickly adjust the camera. Keeps trying to move. Right. So, what good news do you need to hear right now? What does the collective need to hear right now? Let's put some energy into the shuffle. Okay. Just a little shuffle, baby. Ooh, okay. So we got good news. But good news is but we've got the devil in reverse. So I feel like the devil in reverse. We're gonna clarify that again. We got the tower and we have the fool. So I feel like the good news that we're getting from this is that perhaps you are currently going through some kind of energy that could have been very addictive. I feel like it could have been some toxic energy. Perhaps it could have even been people around you. Perhaps there could be friendship groups. I feel like there's some kind of energy here that is going to be removed because we have the tower here, okay? And the tower is giving this energy of how rap, okay? It's giving this energy. Just gonna adjust it again. It keeps trying to move, okay? And I feel like that with that energy of this kind of sudden, something sudden is going to shift this. It could be even feeling like you may have wanted to be doing so much, and it could be like you're looking at your life and you're thinking, "There's so much I want to do," and I feel like there's going to be like a energy of divine intervention coming in place to release this energy that could have been holding you back. Okay, and I feel like it could have all if it could be again, perhaps it could be. I'm getting the message that a job or again a friendship, a group, or some kind of something. I feel like there's been some kind of toxic energy going on there. Okay, like with the full being here, this is the energy of a new start, and are you being able to Just pursue you, focus on you, focus on what's important right now. It's not about being selfish or anything, but it's about putting yourself first. And I feel like for someone who needs to hear this, I feel like the message I still keep getting is like perhaps you were like a friend who was taken for granted. You were somebody that you always try to put others first, and you can, and I'm getting the message of like you've recognized how that's bit you. I'm getting, I'm getting how it's bit you back, or bit you in the bum, in the energy of that whatever you gave did not come back in return. But the message I'm getting is have don't worry about that, because with the Fool being here, blessings are gonna come. When you thought maybe blessings wasn't coming your way, or or the message I'm getting as well is not those who you helped. You may be receiving those blessings from people that you have not met yet, or you are not aware of, or blessings will be coming your way. Okay, but it may not come from the people that you thought or had envisioned will provide those blessings. Okay, the blessings will come in another way. Okay, so just bear that in mind. Okay, because we have the death here, so the death is definitely is telling us new energy is going to come, transformation is going to take place for you. Okay, look at that. It's going to come smooth and it's going to come swiftly. Okay, and I feel like that swift energy, because the tower has just created this something has to, just think of like a plate just breaking from nowhere. You don't even know why. And it's because there's a lot of energy in the room. This energy of the tower is gonna help to bring new vibrant energy towards your way. Look at that, where you're gonna be celebrating. Come back and let us know what you're gonna be celebrating. Okay, what good news is gonna come your way? I feel like there's gonna be lots of celebration. For some of you, I feel like it could be also a message of pregnancy. It can also be a message of a proposal or an offer of some sort, where perhaps this energy in the past may have felt like you, it could have been also been you felt maybe like you undeserving, and perhaps that undeserving energy then attracted people who kind of had, I'm kind of getting the energy that they didn't have good intentions and tried to use, I'm getting use and abuse your kindness for weakness, but have no fear, because now you have recognized, you have taken the time to sit down, reflect. Okay. In Jamaican culture, we call understand. Okay, when you understand something, but now you've now adjusted to the what you understand to overstand. Okay, so you're now having a level of where, yeah, this is now making all, this is all making sense now. I'm now able to add all of the puzzles together, and now I'm understanding why I may have been in this cycle, why I might have had to release myself from a karmic energy or some this karma. I recognize now the lessons that I've learned, and I've picked up what I needed to know from those lessons, so I can move on, so I can progress, and I can leave that behind, because it's no longer it aligned with me. It was never maybe even aligned with you in the first place, but it was for you to take on the energy of the King of Swords, to recognize that you deserved more, and this energy had to go. Okay, anytime you see the tower saying, no, darling, no, honey, you can't stay in this. You can't stay in this, because whether you like it or not, it's going to happen. Okay, so look at this, sitting down, meditating. This could be bringing new opportunities, perhaps could be also a new offer in love. Okay, a new offer for you to then pursue your passions and your dreams. Okay, so embrace it and let us know. Let us know. But I'm just going to quickly pull out the good karma and see what additional message wants to come through in regards to why the devil in reverse is here. Can we clarify, please, why the devil is here? Can we have additional message why the devil is here? Why is the devil here? Okay. Yes, it's something about decisions. Four of Swords. It could be something you've recognized that something wasn't right. I feel like it could be, again, perhaps a particular environment, something that you were around that has made you kind of feel this. I'm getting this energy of like sometimes you might not have always been able to put your finger on it, but you knew something was wrong because look, your Ace of Swords. So I feel like there's a strong message of trusting your gut, trusting your intuition. Your intuition will kick in and pick up on how you feel. Okay, how you feel, where are you feeling that feeling, okay, that gut feeling, that intuition feeling, where is it calling, what is it asking you to do, is it asking you to go and maybe do a double check, do a double take, okay, are you sure about this? Okay, and I feel like this is the message that is wanting you to get more grounded, more secure in your own decision making. Don't get swayed by anybody. I feel my finger is pulling on the Five of Pentacles. Oi, 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 oi. To be mindful of anybody that may make you feel less than or unworthy or undeserving. I feel like there's a kind of like a some kind of energy that I'm getting, like a narcissistic energy or anything like that. Just to be mindful, trust yourself, heal, grow, okay? And just know, look at what we have here with the Seven of Pentacles in reverse and the Queen of Swords in reverse. I feel like this could be an energy of maybe you felt like you always had to defend yourself, and now you're recognizing, no, I never needed to do that. Okay, all I need to do is go and work on myself, take that time to focus on me and release myself from any energies that are not serving me, not aligned with me. Okay, all right. So we are now, and look what's going on here. Ay, 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 ay. We have the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. I just noticed it was just like that. And I thought it's trying to pop out. It's trying to show, it's trying to reveal itself. And I feel like there's a strong energy of the Eight of Pentacles is that perhaps there could be new money opportunities, new work opportunities coming your way. Okay. It could also be someone wants to come and repair or patch. Again, always trust your intuition. Okay. All right. So last but not least, we are going to look at no. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Hey, I just realized we haven't looked at this message. So we've got a couple of more messages. Okay. And do please give this video, the camera at the minute is going all over the place. At the minute, we are also in Mercury retrograde. So there could be also this energy of maybe past or unhealthy past trying to return. Again, trust your intuition. Okay. And then it also plays up with technology and things like that. So you might be noticing that at this time as well. Okay. Ooh, right. A message has come through. So we have, if you are not able to decide order, and this is the cosmic ordering oracle, if you are not able to decide order, some clarity, if you're not able to decide, as we said this earlier about your decision making and being clear with that and trusting your decision making. So if you are not able to decide, order some clarity and advice on what is right for you at the moment. Trust that you will make a decision anyway, and that's right. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay? Trust that you will make a decision anyway at some point. No decision is just decision to wait. You cannot decide. Okay, so I feel like there's a strong energy here as well, because we saw that the devil is kind of like for you to trust your gut, okay, and know what feels right for you. Okay, what feels right for you, you will know. Okay, and I feel like the more you stay grounded, okay, especially with the Four of Swords, and we saw the Four of Swords twice as well. So I feel like there's a strong energy of staying grounded and connecting with that, and trusting your own thoughts, trusting how you feel at this time, because the more grounded and the more confident you feel, it's gonna bring out that leader in you with the Fool, okay? And release this energy, okay? That wants to try and bind, that wants to try and control, okay? And I feel like with the fact that we're seeing lots of swords energy, there could be an energy of trying to control or try to manipulate at this time, perhaps thoughts or feelings. Okay, so just to be mindful of that. And again, this is all about good news, but whatever we see, we have to we report as well. Okay, so it's always about trusting your intuition. Okay, but the energy that I see is the more you trust yourself and align yourself with that, the more the leader in you comes out, and there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. So, last but not least, we are going to pull out a lovely message, angel message for you to hear right now. Let's have a look and see what you need to hear. Okay, I've got one in my hands. We'll look at that one. So we have flexible is fun. Look at this. Being flexible. Yes, being flexible is fun. Okay, being flexible is fun. What else do you need to hear right now? What good news do you need to hear? Okay, don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up. And I feel like this is also a message that, if you go through in life with good intentions, and then sometimes we may come across people who try to manipulate, who may not always try to may come across as the saying of wolves in sheep's clothing. Just know that the more you stay true to yourself, and the more you will be rewarded. Hence the reason why there's an energy of the tower here to say no. No, 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 no more. No, 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 no more. And call on your guardian angels, your ancestors, your spirit guides. Okay? Give your daily gratitude, because that also helps to bring in that good energy. Okay? So it can resonate, so it can sit with you. Okay, but it allows you to build that connection with the universe, with source. Okay, with your spirit guides, with your guardian angels, with your ancestors, so that they are can also be supporting you at this time. And we can see that because the tower is here, and the tower isn't here for no reason. The tower is saying something needed to drop, something needed to be let go, something needed to be released, because it was causing some serious blockages. And now the Fool is here. The Fool is like that is the Fool is here is to remind us that we are always on a journey. We are always on a journey. Okay, it's like I on the radio today, I was listening to a radio show, and there was somebody saying that people don't like change, or people are fearful of change. However, change is part of our everyday life as a human being on this earth. The Fool is all about the change. The Fool is always about starting anew. The Fool is always about trying and embracing things even when they don't even know what is in front of them. It's about taking that risk. Okay? It's about trying something new. It's about bringing yourself closer and closer to your authentic self. It's about finding ways that helps you to become more in line with who you really are. And I feel like the good news in this message is you recognizing that in you, and you taking that and being the leader that you are. Okay? Wherever you need to lead right now, you are taking that step with that energy of the Fool. Okay? Whether it's into your love life, if it's regards to your love life, in regards to your career, your money, you are taking that step to say, no, I'm getting a significant message from a film. Um, I think it might be Malcolm X. As the idea is that Plymouth Rock didn't land on us. No, yes. How's it? Plymouth Rock didn't land on us. Plymouth Rock didn't land on us. If you know it, but the idea anyway. The idea. Oh, I'll have another one. Here's another one. This is a Jamaican proverb. You can't be on the cow and cut the cow. You can't be on the cow and cut the cow. Okay. So in Jamaican patois, you can't be on the cow and cut cow. Okay. It's the idea that you can't take for granted those around you or take for people. It's kind of like bite from the hand that feeds you. Now, if that has been something you've experienced, shame on them. But that's not for you to then take on this energy of beating yourself about it. No, darling. No, honey. You move forward. You take this energy of the fool in your life and run with it. Run with it and see how the blessings unfold in your life. Now I'm getting a message. Just do a quick shuffle. Okay, quick shuffle to see what wants to come through regarding this message. Quick shuffle. Reveal the message that wants to come through. Look at this. The King of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles represents an energy of wealth, represents energy of power, and represents an energy of dominance. Think of King Solomon. The more, darling, honey, the more you step into your energy, embrace yourself, it's going to bring you, the leader in you, like the King of Pentacles, like the King of Pentacles. I'm going to have a quick look and see all these ones. Look at this. The Page of Cups is here. For you to embrace the love. Judgment is here. Okay? To say, yes, you got to take that lead. Even though it might feel at times a bit wary. Look at that. But there's an imbalance here. You've got to work on that. Okay? So that you can come back to the full. Let go of any kind of lost or feelings that you may have had at this time, because it's going to bring you to greater opportunities for you to find yourself. Okay, perhaps it could also be a message for some of you that the King of Pentacles could be, there could be somebody in the pipeline who is the King of Pentacles for you. But look at this, the Six of Swords is here. The energy of the Six is harmony. Okay, for you to find your harmony and to release yourself from anything that is not serving you. Okay, so I hope the messages are resonating as part of these good news. Okay, it's just so to give you some good energy right now. Okay, on a Friday, feel good energy. So take the messages that resonate, and you know what we like to do around here: leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. It simply means in Jamaican patois, this is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping, stay hydrated, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Just a little thing for pile 2, because I just realized we didn't add another, just a little love message for you quickly. So we're just going to put it in for the collective who chose pile 2. What love, good news of love messages do they need to come, do they need to know right now? Okay, oh, that could be coming their way. Ooh, one fell on the floor. Ooh, look at that. So, you know, that's why I got the message to say, hey, you never did the love message for the collective. This is the love message. So good news. There could be a soulmate. There could be somebody who's really coming to you, okay, with this energy right now. Okay, and I feel like that's why there was a strong energy of releasing yourself from anything that's not aligned with you, so then this energy can come your way. Okay, so can come your way. So I'm glad I got that message to say go back for the collective who chose pile 2. All right, so take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. Okay, I saw it go. Wagwan. Wagwan people. Wagwan tea sippers. Wagwan my generals. So we are on pile 3 and we are looking into good news. Okay, good news coming your way. Okay, so if you haven't already subscribed, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Come and join the Love and Light family. Okay, so click on that notification bell, give us a like. Okay, share, comment, do all of those good things combined so we can grow together as a family and connect with more like-minded people like you. All right, let's get into it. Let's see what good news you need to hear today. Okay, this is just a nice little way to just bring some good news and just to hear what good news is coming your way, you know, on a Friday afternoon or just on a Friday. Okay, because it represents that energy of the Venus love energy, love day. So let's just bring some love your way. Okay, and love your way could just be in any good news we need to hear today. All right, so for the collective who chose Pile 3, what do you need to hear? Okay, what good news? What good news? Okay, what good okay news do you need to hear? So in Jamaican culture, when something is nice, something sweet, you emphasize the words. Okay, so we're gonna say good. What good? What good news you need to hear? Ay, 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 look at that! Look at that! I feel like there's going to be a wish fulfillment coming through with the Ten of Cups here. So if there's any plans, anything that you've been really focused on, okay, it's all going to come together. It's all the dots are going to add up and you're going to be like, what a sigh of relief. Like, I feel like lots of blessings are coming your way. And then again, if it's something to do with love, okay, this could also represent somebody coming your way, really wanting to make a serious offer about family, building a life together. So there's a lot of lot of good news coming your way. Embrace it, okay? Embrace it. Embrace it. Ooh la la. Look what we have at the front of the deck. We've got the Knight of Wands as well. So taking this time to just pursue your passions, pursue your goals. There could be a lot of fiery energy, okay? And this perhaps it could also be asking your fire energy to really kick in so you can just enjoy those moments, okay, where you perhaps you're it's like focusing on maybe starting a new side hustle. Okay, perhaps it could be a new career or interest that you may have, or a job, or something that you're very passionate about. Okay, there could also be someone who wants to come towards you in this very passionate way, okay, and sweep you off your feet. Because we have the Ace of Wands, and I feel like the Ace of Wands is saying yes, go and do what you need to do. You know, if there could be something that you've been focused on, really working hard, you know, seeing with the Ten of Cups being here, there's a wish of fulfillment, and it is also on the energy of pile number 3. Pile 3, okay, or just number 3, okay, just number 3. Okay, is the energy of expansion, it's the energy of growth. Think of the Empress, it's the Empress energy. Things are growing. Perhaps there could be someone, you might hear somebody who is pregnant, okay, but it also represents that energy of new life, new growth, okay, new energy. Okay, perhaps you might be seeing butterflies, you might be seeing bumblebees, or insects of that sort. Just know that the good things are coming your way. So are you ready? Are you ready to embrace it? Okay, put it in the comments down below and say, yes, I am ready to embrace the good news coming my way, and let it unfold, because look what's there. So there could be an energy of and I feel like, again, side hustle could be something that you've been pursuing or working on. It's going to come into fruition with the Nine of Pentacles. This is you being booked, being busy, okay, being independent, getting your bag. Yes, click. Yes, click. Yes. Okay, let's click yes for that one, or let's say yes for that one. Okay, yes. So I feel an urge to draw from the middle. Let's just have a look and see what the middle wants us to know as well. So with the Six of Pentacles in reverse, I feel like the Six of Pentacles in reverse is also a reminder of like this time and I feel like perhaps for some of you, it's this energy of be mindful of your spending, or like use the your resources to focus on your goals, because it's gonna get you to that Nine of Pentacles. So I feel like it's using this time to work on things, work on yourself, work on any kind of insecurities or anything that may have held you back, so you can just be focusing on that. But I feel like it's also saying this time, like during this time, use this time to focus on replenishing you and building yourself up, okay? Because I feel like there's an energy of like, if you keep putting or helping others, so if you're not doing that for yourself, it's like it's then going to create a draining energy now, because it's not a two-way process. And if you look at the energy, and look what's here, this Three of Swords here, with the Six of Pentacles being here, and the balance, the energy of the scales, it's this energy of whatever you give, you've got to be putting it back into you. And you know, sometimes we can all have been guilty of that, where especially if you are naturally that type of person that wants to just give and help where you can, but it's also making sure that you're doing the same for yourself, because then otherwise it can then impact your energy of growth, your energy of like wanting you for your like wanting for yourself, the desire for yourself, for things to grow, for things to ascend, because you've got to make sure you are putting yourself first in that energy. And it's not about being selfish, okay? Just like as we can see with the Ace of Wands, it's your time to let things just flourish, okay? The divine intervention is here to say yes, whatever passion or any desires that you have, or anything that you want to work on, let that creative energy unfold, because it's coming your way. So embrace it and let that energy of the free grow and grow, because you got the Ten of Cups coming your way. You got big spender. Ooh, wait, and possibly a King of Cups your way too, honey. So that's kind of going into the love section. So there's a lot of messages here for you. And on that note, we're gonna just have a look at the love messages now. Can we have a look at the messages of love? Any good news? So any good news coming your way in regards to love? Good news. Oh, I feel like that wants to come through. We have released your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. And we did see the Three of Swords in reverse, and it could be that energy to release it, as well as the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Perhaps there was this energy of giving, and not receiving the same way that you was given, okay? And it has to be a two-way process, okay? The message that I'm getting is John McLean, one of my favorite songs, favorite lover rock songs, and I really like the lovers rock songs as well, because it helps me, the passions I have for it, okay? So think of that passion I have, it helps me to then also use those messages into the reads as well. So the song is, if I gave my heart to you, what would you do with it? Okay, and it goes something like this. If I gave my heart to you, what would you do with it? Would you tear it apart, or would you treasure it? Okay, if I gave my heart to you, what would you do with it? Would you treasure it? Would you treasure it, or will you tear it apart? And I feel like that's the energy of, you know, someone wanting to know, because it's like their heart is their it's like a pot of gold. You're giving a pot of gold to somebody. What are you getting back in return, darling? Honey, what are you getting back in return for that pot of gold? And it's not even a like a in any kind of arrogant way or anything like that, but it's about knowing your worth, and knowing that you deserve more, and knowing that the Ten of Cups, the Ace of Wands, this all of this energy that we're seeing, the Nine of Pentacles, seeing the King of Cups, It wants you to align with that because this is what you deserve. This is the energy that wants to come your way. So it's waiting for you, honey. It's waiting for you, darling, to embrace it with open arms. Okay? With open arms so you can embrace somebody who treasures your heart. Treasures your heart. Okay? And everything that you have to offer. Okay? Right. So just bear with me. The camera today, child, has been doing some trickery. So we're just gonna have a look and see what other messages want to come through, what good news wants to come through. Okay, it is also Mercury retrograde season, so that can also bring an energy of people, a blast from the past. Again, trust your intuition. Okay, it can also impact with communication, okay, as well as technology and things like that. So you might notice it. Like I'm actually noticing, okay, the camera issues and things like that. So we're just gonna embrace the energy and just run with it. Okay, okay. We set the trends. Trends don't trend. We set the trends. Trends don't set we. That just simply means, okay, we run things around here. We run things around here. Things don't run we. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's have a look. Let's have a look and see what message do you need to know. Do you need to hear? What good news do you need to hear regarding just some good vibrations from the Cosmic Ordering Oracle? Let's have a look. So for the collective who chose Power 3, what do they need to hear at this time? What good news coming your way? Ooh, we got two. We got two, baby. So we have program your unconscious to that which you are wishing for. Look at that. We was just saying this about aligning yourself. Sit down comfortably and tell yourself mentally some terms that you find positive. Example, love, wealth, health. Or formulate your wish like this. I love, a big garden. I love a big garden. Ooh, we can all do this. So with the 10 of Cups wanting to come your way, okay? Say, I love a big family. I love a big garden. I love a big house. I love a King of Cups. Okay, just say exactly what it is that you want, but say it in the starting with I love, because then you're bringing that energy, that good energy that your way, the good energy your way. Yes, yes. So put it in the comments down below of what type of ways that you would formulate this. Okay, let's say maybe I love a picket white fence. I love a big car. I love a a high disposable income so I can buy myself a Birkin bag. Okay, if you're into Birkin bags or things like that, I'm not really into those kind of things, but you get the gist. Okay, about writing or saying things out loud in that style. Okay, we have here, if you are happy for everyone who lives in abundance and happiness, the universe will send your way as well. So if you feel jealousy and envy, the universe might possibly take everything away from you. It delivers everything that you order through your inner attitude. This goes back to the energy that we were saying earlier, okay, about the giving and the receiving. Make sure that you are doing that for yourself, okay? You're doing that for yourself. Your intention is clear. You're good. You have that same energy for yourself as well as for others. You're going to be rewarded that. And I always say daily gratitude as well, sitting down and giving thanks to what you are thankful for in life, so that allowing that good energy to come into your life. and let it flow around you. Okay. Okay. And let's pull out. Just realized we haven't pulled out a Jamaican proverb yet. Let's have a look and see what Jamaican proverb wants to come out for the collective. What do you need to hear right now? What do you need to hear right now? What do you need to hear right now? So we have the peacock hiding foot when him hear about him tail. So the peacock hide its feet when it hears about its tail. Okay, in Jamaican patois style, the peacock hide him foot when him hear about him tail. The peacock hide him foot when him hear about him tail. Okay, so the peacock hides its feet when it hears about its tail. Okay, so this is about the energy of not being too proud, because the energy of being too proud can hold us back. So be mindful of pride. Okay, be mindful of that energy, because then it can stop you from growing. And this energy is saying, look, things are coming your way, so you got to get yourself out the way. You got to get yourself out of that way. Okay, you got to take yourself out that way, because the energy of growth wants to come through. Okay, like an energy of thunder coming your way. Okay, so you got to embrace it. Okay, a soca song is coming to mind. um oh, the song is it's quite a provocative song. You know, a lot of soca songs, calypso songs are like that. Okay, but it's the song is like the energy that I'm gonna if I'm gonna hold you tonight, it's thunder. I'm giving you thunder. I'm giving you thunder. If I'm gonna hold you tonight, I'm giving you whole night. I'm giving you whole night. I'm telling you, if I'm gonna hold you tonight, it's thunder. I'm giving you thunder. Hey, I'm trying to remember the artist's name, but we're gonna big up, big up, big up, big up. Okay. I've always loved that song, but the energy here is like I'm coming. I'm coming. Hey, I'm coming. Okay, there could be some big D energy around here as well, with the Ace of Wands being here. But I feel like there's something definitely coming, and it's like, okay, there's the energy of you can't be too proud here. Just embrace it. Embrace the new. Embrace what's coming your way. Okay. And I feel like if there's a King of Cups, the energy of somebody who may come towards you as a King of Cups that wants to swift you off your feet. Okay, just embrace it, honey. Darling, embrace it. Embrace it. Embrace this time of growth, because there's a strong energy of growth coming your way. Okay, that can lead to bigger and better things. It could lead to all the things that you've always wanted, you've always desired. Start with bringing that even closer by saying, I love. I love. Again, this has been filmed on the day of Venus, Friday. It's already filled with that energy of love. So you start bringing that more into for yourself, okay, into your existence, okay, into your environment. Let that energy flow. Okay. So last but not least, we are going to end with these really lovely angel messages that I found. Okay. So just big up to the artist as well. Okay. So, ooh, we've got quite a few. I want to come out for the collective who chose Pile 3. Good news that you need to hear right now. Live in the now. Yes, you got to live in the now and embrace it. Okay? Embrace that steering wheel. We have no self-doubts. No self-doubts. Yes. No holding back. Okay? 100%. You're giving your love. Okay? I'm getting a song by Beres Hammond. Okay? Those are some of the lyrics. No holding back. 100% I'm giving my love tonight. I gotta give some more. Even that, I'm no holding back, and I can still give some more. No holding back, okay? Every blessing I give blesses me. Oi, 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 oi. Look at this energy right here. Every blessing, okay? And we were saying earlier about making sure that you tap into that energy for yourself. It's a two-way process, and recognizing that if you give, you receive, you receive, you give, okay? Forget the shoulds. Yes, ain't no time for that, okay, darling, honey. Just go out there and get it. As long as you've got good intentions, let those good vibrations flow. Just don't be afraid. Yes, just don't be afraid. Just know that your spirit guide, your guardian angels, your ancestors are with you. Okay, call on them. Okay, call on Archangel Michael 3 times. Call on Archangel Raphael 3 times. They'll come. Sit and ask them what it is that you, or give them your request so they can then guide you, support you. They may show you through angel numbers. You can even say, show me this angel number to help me to know this. Show me this angel number to help me, understand this. And you'll be surprised, okay? The more you tap into that energy, the more confident you become as well over time, just sitting and meditating. Look at this. Not perfect, so what? Yes, exactly. Not perfect, so what? And this could be this energy, perhaps how you may have envisioned like your Ten of Cups can unfold in a different way. Okay, perhaps what you may have desired or what you expected, it comes to you in tenfold, but even bigger and better than you've ever envisioned or imagined for yourself. So embrace this journey. But I feel like there's a strong energy of lots of vibrant opportunities coming your way. And the message here is to embrace them. Don't run, don't hinder, don't block, just embrace and trust. And even saying something to yourself, I embrace all of the good blessings and the good opportunities coming my way in all areas of my life. In all areas of my, let's say that together as a collective. Regardless if you chose pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, or you might even gloss over to pile 3, we're going to send this energy to all of you. I embrace all good blessings, good vibrational energy in my life, and I embrace it in all areas of my life. And I asked my guardian angels, my ancestors, my spirit guides to guard, to protect, and to help us to see all of the good blessings, all of the good opportunities coming in all areas of our life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ooh, I can feel that energy. It feels like diamonds are being trickled down onto the shoulders. It's like, ooh, it feels good. I can feel and embrace this Ten of Cups energy. I hope this Ten of Cups energy is radiating through the camera screen, into your screen, into your energy, into your heart right now. Tap into it, embrace it, put it in the comments and say, yes, I claim that. I claim it for myself. And yes, embrace these energies. No holding back. 100%. Okay. 100%. No holding back. We're going to embrace it. Okay. Just like that soca song. If I'm going to hold you tonight, it's thunder. Hey, I'm giving you thunder. Hey, I'm calling you all night. I'm talking you all night. Okay. Oh, we're gonna embrace this energy 100%. So we're gonna leave it here. But I hope the messages are resonating. Okay. And you know what we like to do around here, and wherever you go and watch tarot messages, oracle messages, anywhere, take the messages that resonate and leave. We have to say it with power. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go is Jamaican Patois, and it simply means This is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, tap into that energy of good vibrational energy. Okay, keep sipping, stay hydrated, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.